Central Elizabeth Station, did you copy?
Station already copies.
Spray no water in the chimney and run. We gotta drop something down. We gotta wait to drop down.
Well, that's what I know in 91 we got the chain we use. Do we have one on here?
I'm not sure if we do yet or not.
Yeah, hold on the hose. Yeah, leave that hose over there.
Do what?
See if you find the chimney, the pipe cleaner. Is it on this truck?
I am. Connected in the back.
You gonna pull them all in the plan here?
I think we're gonna take this one off.
Chimney out of there.
It's right there on the last side. Will you?
Yeah, if you want to roof that way, you don't slide down off of it. Hey guys, got a fire extinguisher? Keep one in here. Roof ladder should be coming.
Okay. Yeah.
Just set that one up, put it on the eave.
Yeah.
That way we don't have to bust our ass when you slide on.
Can you find a fire extinguisher? Get them inside.
We got started out.
I said it's probably over. Something more than what it was.
Let me see that. We're gonna help you any. Get it cocked around. Let me move this. Okay. Here, let me play that. Now, don't breathe in deep because it's gonna get you. Trying to look too. So.
Oh yeah, it's
What you've got is a small tube going up. What you got?
a leg cramp.
Oh.
Let's have a good stretching before we do something like this.
Well, it's not really like. Can you see the small pipe? Here's what we have in there. Look, we got 4 sides doing this, with a small tube in the middle, square tube, 6-inch tube going up.
Okay.
If you can see that on there. Straight up, the higher you go. Yeah, somebody needs to straddle that one because it's getting curled up on the bottom.
got pliers and a flathead screwdriver. DJ. We've got the tools. Pair of pliers and screwdriver.
Yeah, cause I got it like that. Flow so smooth like I got it on tap. Yeah, and I'ma say it be a good night while I'm on my Yingling, while I'm drinking Bud Light. Can you get it when you miss me? Like I'm with whiskey, drinking Jim Beam. Yeah, baby, do you do it that way? Do you do that? Do you take a ray? Yeah, you know that I'm a beast when I kill it on the beach. Like it's sex on the beach, like it's Malibu. Take it to the California way, cause we do it, yeah, baby, we can Californicate like we on